Ascaris lumbricoides. Life cycle. Before entering into Ascaris lumbricoides, first we have to know how the Ascaris structure. Ascaris is a round worm. It exhibits sexual dimorphism. See here, I am drawing two diagrams. They are male and female. This is female. This is male. Here there is a difference in between the two, female and male. Hence, that type of difference it has shown by any organism. If it shows the difference, male and female, we can differentiate. That is called sexual dimorphism. Sexual dimorphism is exhibited by Ascaris. Here the structure, if you look at the structure, this is mouth and the excretory pore. Excretory pore is present at the ventral side, but it is nearer to the mouth. And here this is the tail. In female it is straight, in male it is curved tail. What is the tail? Curved tail. It constitutes the copulatory spicules. These are useful for copulation. Copulation is nothing but reproduction. This is about the male and female. It shows sexual dimorphism. That is nothing but we can differentiate with the male with a female, and it is a monogenetic parasite. That is nothing but it completes its life cycle only in man. Monogenetic parasite. It completes its life cycle only in man. Hence it is called monogenetic parasite. And it is commonly called roundworm. It is a pseudocoelomate. Pseudo is nothing but it is not the real. Coelom is nothing but it is a cavity. The cavity is not real cavity. That is called the false coelom. False coelom is present in this Ascaris. It belongs to nematode and the class is Phasmedia. Phylum Nematoda, class Phasmedia. Write down phylum Nematoda. Class Phasmedia. This is the classification. And it is which type of parasite? It is a monogenetic parasite. It is a roundworm. It is a pseudocoelomate, and also it is in enteric parasite. That is nothing but in the intestine of man. Enteric parasite. It causes ascariasis. And second stage rhabditiform larva is infective stage to man. This is the just introduction. ఇక్కడ నేను ఒక So female genital pore, I didn't show to you. Female genital pores are located. Where they are located, you go through the textbook and answer me. Genital pores. Female genital pore and male genital pore, where they are located, you answer to me the question. So the genital pores, where they are located. What is the difference between the male and female? Male ki female ki difference ento naaku comment cheyandi. Okay. Okay, my dear student, this is about the introduction of Ascaris lumbricoides. Write down this. Okay, I am not showing excretory pore in it. See the excretory pore in the textbook and answer to me. Okay, say mouth, sorry, say it is a genital pore, genital pore. Where the genital pore is located, I didn't mention here. You see the, and there is a difference also there. What is that difference you find out between male and female also. Okay, answer to me through the comment. Okay, my dear students, afterwards we enter into the life cycle. Now note down this, I will give time for you.